Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about String.repeat. So what repeat method does is construct a new and return a string which contains a specified number of copies of that string, and on which it was called the concatenated string together. So what it's gonna do is return the same string every time just to pass that prototype of that function. So what I'm gonna do is val courses equals because I'm happy. I'm happy. I mean, yeah. So after that, what I'm gonna do is log it on a console, and now it will be US. So after that, inside that, what I'm gonna do is chorus lyrics and for happy. So when we're done with that, pass the use the concatenation and use the prototype for a string, and use the repeat method and pass how many times you want to. So 27. It's gonna repeat that same string again and again up to 27 times. In this case it's 28th time because 0th is the one in the in the function. So this is what it's gonna do. Say what the heck. So this and hope you guys understand. This is what it's gonna do. Repeat again and again. So, and this is a song. So the song is this. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.